Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I want to show you how this tape dispenser works. Okay, when I got mine, I got all this and this spare part, and I'm going to show you how I use mine. Okay, you have this here, and on the inside there's on the inside there are razors inside to cut your tape. Okay, let's close it again. And on this side is also a razor. You press it on here to get the teeth inside, and then you press it to get it back out. Okay, let's start with this one. We're going to put our tape here. You can take this out right here, and then put your tape, your heating tape or whatever tape you have. You can put it on here. You can put the wider one too, but not right now. I have this narrow one, so I'm going to use this one. So when you put your tape inside, make sure that you can peel your tape from this side, so the sticky part is up. You see, the sticky part is up and the other part is down here. The sticky part should be up, like, oh, just like this. And then I'm going to insert it here with a sticky part. So now I'm going to place a piece of the sticky part on one of the teeth here of the I think it's a comb. They call it a comb. Right here, if you can see. You see, I place it right here. Here is sticky. Okay, and then I place it right here, and then I'm going to rotate it. You see, I'm going to rotate it, and when I rotate it, this the comb that will teeth, the razors that we have down here, will cut your tape for you in pieces, and then you can take it out like this. You see, it will cut it in pieces. It will cut it in short pieces. I think 1 inch, 1.5 inch, I think. So you can just take it and place it on your item. Place it on your item like this. You know? Okay, and I cut it for you. Yeah, like that. Okay, now we're going to put a tape on this side too. You can put the wider tape. Right now I have this one here. I'm going to use this one. And like I said, you can turn this on and off. You see, here is off and here is on. So when I turn it off, the razor goes inside, and when I turn it on, it comes back up. So now I'm going to move this right here, move it up. The same thing we're going to do here. Let me see. Oh, this tape. Okay, now we're going to move this up and place our tape right here and move it back down so that it holds it. This thing will hold it so that it doesn't fall. And then you're going to drag your tape. Drag it and cut it. Let me see, I think I'm going to put it on the other side. I'll put it like this. Open this. So I'm going to drag it and pull and cut. I'm supposed to cut it. You know, see? Pull and cut. This tape is hard. Pull and cut. It will cut it for you. I'm going to try it with the lighter tape. I'm going to take this one out. Move it really quick. Put it on this side. Push it up. Push it down. So now you're gonna see how it works. Whoa. You see? You have to press it hard. And on this side, I think you have to put the sticky side on the sticky side is here, and the smooth side is up here, so that it can stick. pull and cut. Come on, you need to cut. Yeah, and cut. So this is how it works. You can use this by using a smaller tape. Smaller tape. Let's see, put a smaller tape. Let me put it on this side really quick. And then we're gonna put a smaller tape here. Let me get these off. Then we're gonna rotate the tape. You see, it will also cut for you. The razors down there will cut it for you. Okay, this is what I wanted to show you. So if you need this, I will leave the link down below where you can get it. It's very helpful. You don't have to take a scissor and cut your tape every time. You can just use this, like rotate it, and it will cut your tape for you. It will do all the work. Yep. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.